Today we are going to see the test taking strategies. How you can improve your taking strategies, and the term which is used to describe all of this is the test wiseness. Now let's see what is test wiseness. Test wiseness is the ability to use the characteristics and format of cognitive test to maximize one's score. Although I am not saying that your knowledge is not important in test and scoring your maximum scores, but it is also important to use different strategies alongside your knowledge. So let's move to the other tips that are important, or the general tips for the test taking strategies. First one is that you need to make a mental schedule. Like you need to see if you have passed 1/4 of the time, either you have completed that much of the test or not. The second one is the don't waste your time on difficult question. If you don't know what the answer of this question is, then let's move to the next question. Maybe you get that related information of that question in the next question. Okay, the next one is don't read into the questions. Like sometimes students make mistakes by complexing the question or by complexing their test, but neither of that they true. Most of the time, simple looking questions are the simple as they appear. So don't complicate things and just focus on the question statement. Last one is that if you completed your test in a given time and you still have some time left, then go through your test, and if you have marked any question wrong, or there is anything you can add on it, then go for it and do it, and it will help you maximize your scores in the test. There was a few tips that I discussed today to